안녕하세요. Chain D Shandukni Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today we'll be unboxing my MorpheMe and my KissMe from Live Glam. I will leave all the information down below about these subscriptions. Let me go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Morphe one. Morphe, as you all may know, they are the brush subscription. So you get makeup brushes every month. I believe it is $19.99 a month, and you get between 4 to 8 brushes. And you can pay for the subscription every 3 months, every 6 months, or every year. All right. And every single month there is a theme. So let me just show you some of the cards. First, let me show you this one, because this is Live Glam's new subscription. It's called Shadow Me. It will be coming soon. This subscription will be $19.99 every other month. And you get an eyeshadow palette that looks like this. They had released some of their shadows on their Instagram page if you go and visit there, and they look really beautiful. So I'm definitely interested in getting this one because it is every other month and it's only $20. So that's fairly reasonable. All right, so I like the theme of this. The theme is Resting Beach Face. There is the theme. I love it. Anything with a beach theme or tropical, that's up my alley right there. This here tells you, if you can see that, about the brushes and how to use them and all of that. All right, so let me go ahead and get started. These are what the brushes look like. It looks like I have 4 this time, and they are all inside of plastic. This is how they come. I really appreciate that. I don't have my scissors here, so I hope I can get these open. So I'm going to start off with this brush right here. This is a Morphe M579. That's what it looks like inside the plastic there. Let me see if I can get this open. I'm going to read this to you what it says. It says, this is a Pro Flat Contour Brush, okay? This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. It has the black handle with the silver, I call it a barrel, but I think the official name for this part of your brushes is called the ferrule. Comment down below if you know that. And it's a flat contour brush. The bristles are white. It's very soft as well. The subscription says, what's an RBF? RBF means resting beach face. What's an RBF without a chiseled contour? This straight edge Pro Flat Contour Brush won't create waves, but it will float your boat. So this is nice. All right, so they have very nice contour brushes. I get a lot of contour brushes from Morphe. I'm not complaining about it because I do like them, and I'm learning about the contouring because that's the step that sometimes I do and I forget about, but I digress. Anyway, let's move on to the next brush. The next brush is this Morphe 492. That's what it looks like inside of the package. Let me take her out if I can see, and let me read about her. The 492. Okay, the 492 and the M166. All right, so this is the 492 right here, and it's a dual fiber brush right here. This is a duo foundation brush is what this is, which is nice. So this is kind of dense a little bit. It's soft, but it's dense. It's good for blending out your foundation. And then the other brush they want me to show is this M166. Let me get her open here. Oh, this is what it looks like inside the packaging. Outside of the packaging, it looks like, whoops, get on out. It looks like this here. And this is very dense. And this brush is an oval shadow brush. All right, so this says, to slay that resting beach face, start by applying a flawless base using the duo foundation brush. Then use the oval shadow brush to pack on the gnarliest shadows on your lid. So this is nice. I wonder why this was so dense. So this is for your eyeshadow for the lids, which is nice, and this is for foundation. Can never have too many foundation brushes. All right, the last brush I'm going to show you is the Morphe 536, which looks like this inside the packaging. And the 536, this is the under eye bullet. And this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. That's very soft. Again, it's dual fiber. Has the same handle and ferrule or barrel. And it's kind of a little bit tapered, I guess you could say. It's a nice brush. This is an under eye bullet. And it says, dive right into some concealer using this under eye bullet. It's tapered shape, lets you get into the corners of your eyes and seamlessly smooth things over. So this is for, it's literally for the under eye right there. So like when you're setting your concealer with your, with powder for highlight. This is nice. All right, so just to recap right quick, these are the brushes that I got for this month for July. I have the Morphe 536, which is the under eye bullet. I've got the Morphe 579, which is the Pro Flat Contour. And then I got the Morphe 492 and M166, which is the foundation and the eyeshadow brush. Sweetness. All right, so that is everything in my Morphe subscription for this month. Let me put these back in here and let's move on to the next. The next one I'm going to open up for you is the KissMe. Just like MorpheMe, the KissMe is $19.99 a month. You can pay for it either every year, every 6 months, or every 3 months. You get 3 liquid lipsticks. It has the same little pamphlet in here about Shadow Me, which is coming soon. And here is the theme. It says, let's get naughty. Again, I like the theme of that, like naughty, nautical, get it? All right, so this is what the colors look like. And there's a description of the colors right there. All right, so let's get started so I can talk about these. KissMe comes in a little satchel that looks just like this. Very nice. And I'm just going to pull out a color and we're going to talk about it. So, first color I have is called Naughty. All right, let's see what the description says about Naughty. That's what it looks like. Can you guys see that? The lighting's horrible in my bathroom, but I don't have all those fancy lights, cameras in action. That's what the color looks like. It's like a pinky coral color. And it says, feel confident and sure of yourself all summer long. Wearing this matte peachy shade, heads up, you may attract some bad boys with this naughty lippy. So that's a very cute color. All right, next color I'm going to pull out is this one. And this is like a bright Barbie pink color. This color is called Slayer. That's what it looks like. Again, sorry about the lighting. It is horrible. You can barely see it. That's what the color looks like. It's a beautiful bright pink. Like I said, it looks like a Barbie pink color to me. This would be a pretty ombre lip for me. And Slayer, or Slayon, says, drop the anchor and get your hands on this matte Barbie pink shade. I was right. You'll love this lippy to the beach and back. Awesome. And then the last one is called Yachty. And this is Yachty. Yachty looks like this. And this looks like a topper to me. It says, out of all the fish in the sea, you'll stand out the most wearing this iridescent lip topper. I was right again. Wear it alone or on top of any lippy shade for an added sparkly purple sheen. So that's what it looks like there. You can barely see that. I know. You can barely see that. All right. I don't do swatches, but I'm going to swatch this one. Okay, that's really pretty. It is an iridescent purple. You may not. Can you see that? Y'all know I don't do swatches. I hate putting my hand all in the camera. But anyhow, that is Yachty. And that is all of my liquid lipsticks. All right. That's the 3. I have Yachty, which is that iridescent color. I have Slayon, which is the Barbie pink, and then I have Naughty, which is the peachy color. All right, guys, that is everything in my MorpheMe and KissMe subscription for this month for July 2018. Leave a message down below if you get this subscription. Did you like your lippies and your brushes this month? I liked mine. Oh, I didn't say this, by the way. What I like about this subscription is that you can, if there are like some lip colors you don't like or some brushes that you don't like, you can trade them. So I like that this company has that option that you can trade your lippies in case you don't like them. Alright guys, that is it. I'm going to go ahead and get off here and go now. But before I do, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm close, to 1,000 subscribers. When I get to that threshold, there will be a giveaway, and I'll let you know what that will be. But I got to get there first. I think I'm at about, I don't know, I'm almost at 900. So I'm taking baby steps and I'm getting there. All right? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나